In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GCash from TikTok Shop. If you've saved GCash as a payment option in TikTok Shop and want to remove it for privacy, security, or budgeting reasons, I'll walk you through the exact path so you can disconnect it cleanly and confidently. Start by opening the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into the account that's linked to TikTok Shop. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. On your profile page, look to the top corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. This menu is where TikTok keeps your shop-related tools. Next, choose your orders. Even though it sounds like it's only for tracking purchases, this is actually where TikTok places shop settings, including how you pay. Inside your orders, find and tap Payment Method. This opens the Manage Payments section, where all your saved payment options live. On the Manage Payments screen, locate GCash in your list of saved methods and select it. With GCash highlighted, look for the option labeled Delete Payment Method. Tap that, and when TikTok asks you to confirm, tap Remove to complete it. That confirmation is important. Until you hit Remove, the link isn't actually severed. Once you confirm, TikTok Shop will no longer be able to charge or access your GCash wallet for purchases. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see GCash listed, it's already unlinked. You might be on a different TikTok account than the one that linked it, or GCash may not be supported in your current region. If Delete Payment Method is grayed out, check that you don't have any pending orders, subscriptions, or an open checkout using GCash. Those can temporarily lock a payment method. Clearing the active checkout or waiting for pending orders to complete usually resolves it. After you remove GCash, pull down to refresh the Manage Payments page. If it's gone from the list, you're all set. Removing GCash here does not close or change your actual GCash account. It only disconnects it from TikTok Shop. If you make a purchase later, TikTok may prompt you to add a payment method again, and you can choose whether or not to relink GCash at that time. And that's it. You've just unlinked GCash from TikTok Shop by going to Profile, opening the menu, selecting your orders, tapping Payment Method, choosing GCash, and confirming Delete Payment Method with Remove. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your payment settings with confidence.